Okay, friends. So, what I'm going to tell you today is about the synthetic data sets. What are these synthetic data sets? Suppose you have a criteria that fire catches up in the industry, or some kind of accidental scenarios happen, or some kind of very bad situations happen. We can't recreate it, or when it is happening, we can't take a photo, we can't collect the data. So, for that purpose, there is a special kind of software for this, which is being automated by the computers, okay, by synthetic means. As you can see from here, this synthetic data for object generation, it can be used. Okay, we can generate lots of synthetic data generation for object detection. Okay, for object detection. Okay, synthetic data generation for object detection can be done. So when you go to this hackers.io and you check this website, they have given you lots of details on this. Okay, so in this website they have given you how to create a situation and start doing it. Okay, you may ask me that, sir, what can I do if the data, if we can't generate the synthetic data, what will happen? So it could be used for many devices. This kind of synthetic data, as you can see, you can take any object and put it in various conditions. For example, you can put the Coca-Cola tin in an baseball stadium or in other places, and you can generate the synthetic data. Or for any object detection algorithm also you can do. So from this method, what is the main objective is that the data could be generated for any situations. What happened? It is recording or not? Okay, it is recording, but this thing is missing. Okay, the space is running out. It is saving to the files. Okay, it is already recording the screen. I don't know where it is. Oh, it is recording over here. Okay, so these data has to be generated. For the synthetic data generation, there are lots of opportunities in industry and many things. If sometime in industry, what will happen is that fire catches up in an industry, you can't collect this data set. Okay, and every time you can't lit industry into fire. For this, what you can do is, you can't even rely on this kind of data set on the internet. So now what you can do is, you can create your own data set, like stimulating the fire in some kind of 3D environment and annotating it. Okay, so this is very useful in many means. So this kind of data set will be very useful in the future for the object detection. So please go through this, the synthol synthetic data generation in